Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be talking about 10 applications that I use for general productivity as an international student. Just to make things easier, just to help you create a system. So these applications, I've been using them for a long time. I'm a productivity junkie. Like, I read books, I watch videos on how to improve the systems that I have every day. So this app basically helps me do that. First application is Google Calendar. I know there are lots of to-do list app out there. The thing is, I have found that Google Calendar works absolutely fine. It works really good. Things you can do on Google Calendar: you can create repeat activities. You can create repeat activities with an end date. You can update those activities. You can put notes. You can basically just write, say for example, study as the main text, and you can go underneath it and detail what you want to do and repeat it over and over again. Also on the Google Calendar, whenever you accept an invitation for, say, a meeting on your Google email, it pops up directly on your Google Calendar, and then it gives you like an alert, and it gives you details of that meeting. If it's an online meeting, it gives you the link straight on Google Calendar. So if you're using like a different any other kind of to-do application, that automation might not be there, and I know lots of us use Google email. The second one is Insights. Insight is like sleep on the go for me, because it helps you, that fresh feeling you have in your head when you just wake up, like no thoughts. In fact, you don't even realize where you are sometimes. Insight does that for you. So Insight is an application for meditation that's pretty much free, and there are thousands of meditation practice in there. Different contributors are on there. If you're into meditation like myself, Insight would be the best for you to use. That it's free. Insights have more features that are free than other apps. So yeah, download Insights. The third one is your general health app. It could be your iPhone health app that tracks your steps, your pulse, basically just everything. Or you can use other external health app. Currently I have the normal iPhone health app, and then I have Zero. Zero is a fasting app. It helps you track your fasting and all of that. So I'm big on intermittent fasting, and these apps just help me track the best time I'm burning fat, the best time I'm resting, basically. The fourth one is your daily devotional. So before 2019, I used to have like hard copies of devotional and all of that, and then hard copies of the Bible and all of that. But the thing is, it's being a Christian, disclaimer, I'm a Christian. The thing is, you need to have this thing on the go. If you're traveling, it makes it a lot easier for you to have your Bible and your God with you. If you're not a Christian, just any practice that requires you to have a hard copy of something, find a way to create a soft copy, or find a soft copy out there, which I think a lot of people must have thought about and have created something around. So if you're a Christian, I use Word for the Day. It is fantastic. I love Word for the Day. I just absolutely do. It's like having a friend in your pocket. Yeah, every morning, sometimes the words just land right where they're supposed to land. This is not a preaching video, but yeah, Word for the Day, your Bible, and all of that. The fifth one is the Read Aloud app if you're using Android, and Speechify if you're using iPhone. I've not seen the Read Aloud app on iPhone. Hopefully it's there. If you've seen it, please put a comment below. The reason why I like these two applications is that I'm not a calm person. I can jump up and down. Like, I can be studying and be all over the place. So what I do when I study sometimes is that I like to listen while I'm studying. It helps me follow for longer. Or if I'm doing something else, I like to listen. If it's something I'm absolutely interested in, like is something about, the mind, like a book about productivity, for example, I would just be there listening to it and grasping everything. So I can be doing a physical chore that does not require mental activity, and I'll be listening to something. So you download the Read Aloud app and the Speechify app. The next one is your video conferencing, video meeting app. So you have Zoom, you have web chat. Is it web chat that's called? But yeah, download these applications just in case you want to meet up with someone and then you're not home yet and your laptop is not inside. You can just pop up to a quiet cafe and just have a meeting there on your phone. It's almost as though you are with your laptop. Take notes. Just have these apps on your phone. Number 8 is the OneDrive or Google Drive, just somewhere to save all your academic work if you're an international student. And if you're not, just all your notes, somewhere like a unified system where if you're not with your laptop, you have it on your phone. If you're not with your phone, you can have it on your tab. Just for me, OneDrive really works wonders, especially if I want to edit stuff and I'm not in my house and I'm on campus and all of that. It really helps. The next one is a productivity application. So you can have Forest or you can have Pomodoro. I'll spell it. But yeah, these applications help you concentrate. If you have low attention span and you want to work in chunks, generally working in chunks have been proven to be, the best way to study. Science and studies have shown that in as much as you're doing deep work, sometimes you need to step away from your work at the time, take a few steps back and just do other things so that your mind would shove those things you've studied into shelves. And sometimes if you're working on a very complex problem and you step away from it and go for a walk perhaps, or listen to music that is bubbly, you might get insights on how to solve that problem. Just make sure you have a note and a pen with you. So I have Pomodoro for that and I have Forest for that as well. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. These are the apps that I think are really useful, things that have helped me over the years. And also, a bit of disclaimer, I'm going to add this to other video. These applications are not the sum of all the applications you should have on your phone, in that you should always have your call app, your normal text messaging app, your normal social media apps, if you are a social media person. All those apps, I know that they are there, they are always there, you can always have them. I didn't mention them. I mentioned applications that I know that you might not have thought of downloading. Yeah, thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Thank you for subscribing.